Welcome to Medicap's PDS Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing this processor question which was asked in the year 2024. Now, question says that what is the term for the triangular gap observed between the upper and the lower dental arches during forward jaw movement and also on the lateral excursion? So, whenever you are just bringing your lower jaw forward, there will be triangular spaces which is created. I'll show you the image. Let's see the option first. So, balanced occlusion is A. Christensen phenomena, B. Silverman space, C. and Bennett shift, D.
Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to roll out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success.
So whenever you just protrude, like here you can see that mandible is protruded. Can you see these gaps? So these gaps, whenever you just bring your jaw forward or during lateral excursion, this is known as Christensen's phenomenon. Right? Now, what is the importance of this? So you should take in account this Christensen phenomena whenever you are just doing the teeth setting, or you are just trying in you can say CD in the patient. If at all these spaces they are there, what will happen whenever patient will chew the food, there will be spaces and patient won't be able to bite properly. So this is the significance of this Christensen phenomena, and this is Christensen phenomena. Second is balanced occlusion. So balanced occlusion means that there should be, you can say, proper contact on the left and the right side between the upper and the lower jaw whenever the patient is chewing, biting and all those things. So that is balanced occlusion, but it does not have any that like triangular spaces. So this is a difference. Silverman space is the vertical space which is created whenever patient is saying some words, especially as sibilants, right? So that is your Silverman space. Then Bennett shift is whenever you do the lateral excursion. If suppose I am moving my jaw this side, what will happen? The condyle and the mandible completely will move to this side, and the opposite side condyle, it will move forward, downward and medial. So this is your Bennett shift. The correct answer for the given question is Christensen phenomenon.